Think and answer. Why marriage is like the IKEA of relationships. Let me repeat it. Why marriage is like the IKEA of relationships. And the answer is easy to walk into, confusing to piece together, and difficult to exit. Think and answer. Why can't a nose be 12 inches long? Let me repeat it. Why can't a nose be 12 inches long? And the answer is because then it'd be a foot. Think and answer. Why don't dinosaurs talk? Let me repeat it. Why don't dinosaurs talk? And the answer is because they're dead. Think and answer. What do you call a fly with no wings? Let me repeat it. What do you call a fly with no wings? And the answer is a walk. Think and answer. What did the Buddhist say to the hot dog vendor? Let me repeat it. What did the Buddhist say to the hot dog vendor? And the answer is, make me one with everything. Think and answer. What's green and has wheels? Let me repeat it. What's green and has wheels? And the answer is grass. I lied about the wheels. Think and answer. Did you know the first French fries weren't actually cooked in France? Then? Let me repeat it. Did you know the first French fries weren't actually cooked in France? Then? And the answer is they were cooked in Greece,